Hello students, in this video we will discuss about free and open source software, licensing and copyright. What do you mean by free and open source software? Free and open source software is software that can be classified as both free software and open source software. That is, anyone is freely licensed to use, copy, study and change the software in any way, and the source code is openly shared so that people are encouraged to voluntarily improve the design of the software. What do you mean by free software? According to the Free Software Foundation, a non-profit organization that supports the development of free software is the software that grants the user the freedom to share, study and modify it. The FSF coined the terms in the 1980s. Free software is a matter of liberty, not price. This type of software allows you to do anything you want with it, even improving the version and profiting from it. 4 essential freedoms of free software. To meet the definition of free software, the FSF requires the software's licensing respect the civil liberties or human rights of what the FSF calls the software users' 4 essential freedoms. The freedom to run the program as you wish for any purpose. The freedom to study how the program works and change it so it does your computing as you wish. Access to the source code is a precondition for this. The freedom to redistribute copies so you can help others. The freedom to distribute copies of your modified versions to others. By doing this, you can give the whole community a chance to benefit from your changes. Access to the source code is a precondition for this. What do you mean by open source software? The Open Source Initiatives (OSI), the non-profit organization that supports the development of open source software, asserts that any open source software must adhere to the following criteria: free redistribution of the software, the source code should be publicly available, the software can be modified and distributed in a different format from the original software. The software should not discriminate against persons or groups. The software should not restrict the uses of other software. For example, while the Android mobile operating system is an open source software, it cannot be referred to as a free software because it does not respect all 4 pillars of freedom. Freeware. What do you mean by freeware? Freeware refers to a software that you can use without incurring any cost. Unlike open source software and free software, freeware offers minimal freedom to the end user. Whereas it can be used free of charge, often modification, redistribution or other improvements can be done without getting permission from the author. As such, freeware is often shared without including its source code, which is typical to open source software or free software. 2 of the most common types of freeware are Skype and Adobe Acrobat Reader. While both programs are free to use, their source codes are unavailable to the public. What do you mean by shareware? Shareware is software that is distributed free on a trial basis with the understanding that the user may need or want to pay for it later. Some software developers offer a shareware version of their programs with a built-in expiration date. After 30 days, the user can no longer get access to the program. Other shareware, sometimes called lightware, is offered with certain capabilities disabled as an entitlement to buy the complete version of the program. What do you mean by proprietary software? Proprietary software is a software that is owned by an individual or a company, usually the one that developed it. There are almost always major restrictions on its use, and its source code is almost always kept secret. Examples of proprietary software include Microsoft Windows, Adobe Flash Player, PS3 OS, iTunes, Adobe Photoshop, Google Earth and many more. Copylefted software. Copyleft is a general method for making a program or other work free in the sense of freedom, not zero price, and requiring all modified and extended version of the program to be free as well. Copylefted software is free software whose distribution terms ensure that all copies of all versions carry more or less the same distribution terms. Our next topic is licensing and copyright. Software license. A software license is a legal instrument, usually by way of contract law, with or without printed material, governing the use or redistribution of software. Copyright. A copyright is a legal term to describe the rights of the creator of an original creator work, such as literary work, an artistic work, a design, song, movie, or software, etc. Copyleft. Copyleft is a license that gives opposite to copyright. The copyleft offers users the right to freely distribute and modify the original work, but only under the condition that the derivative works be licensed with the same rights. Its symbol is also flipped copyright symbol. Open source license. As per open source initiative, open source license are licenses that comply with the open source definition. In brief, they allow software to be freely used, modified, and shared. Open source license. Different licenses allow programmers to modify the software with various conditions attached. According to the Black Duck knowledge base, a database of some 2 million open source projects, 5 of the most popular licenses are GNU General Public License (GPL), GNU Lesser General Public License (LGPL), BSD license, MIT license, Apache license. GNU General Public License. GNU GPL General Public License is the most known among open source licenses, not because it is the easiest to understand, but mostly due to multiple mentions and references. GPL has the following characteristics. Copying the software. There are no limit to copying the code. You can copy it on your own server, on your client server, on your local workstations, anywhere and as many times as you want. Distribution. You can distribute it in your thumb or hard drive. You can distribute the code under this license with a download link on your website, or you can print the code on paper. In fact, whatever form of distribution you prefer. Charge a fee. You can charge someone for the software, but remember to give them a copy of GNU GPL, which would tell them that they can get the software free from elsewhere. This also gives you a chance to tell them why you are charging for it. Modification. You are free to make any kind of modifications to the GNU GPL software. The only catch is that the other project must also be released under the GPL. Example of software covered: Joomla, Notebook++, MySQL. GNU Lesser General Public License. GNU LGPL. The Lesser GPL is a copyleft license, very similar to the GPL from which it is derived, but with weaker copyleft requirements. It allows software being applied in a proprietary project under certain circumstances and to some parts of the project's code. The LGPL is usually considered as a compromise between the strong copyleft licenses like GPL and permissive licenses like the BSD or MIT. Example of software covered: Qt and Sharp Develop. BSD license. BSD licenses are a family of permissive free software licenses imposing minimal restrictions on the use and distributions of covered softwares. This is in contrast to copyleft licenses, which have share-like requirements. There are two important versions of BSD license: New BSD license or modified BSD license, simplified BSD license or the free BSD license. New BSD license or modified BSD license. The new BSD license or 3-clause license allows unlimited redistribution for any purpose as long as its copyright notices and licenses disclaimers or warranty are maintained. Neither the name of the copyright holder nor the names of its contributor may be used to endorse or promote products derived from this software without specific prior written permission. Simplified BSD license or the free BSD license. The simplified BSD license is different from new BSD license in the sense that the latter omits the non-endorsement clause. MIT license. The MIT license is the shortest and probably broadest of all the popular open source license. Basically, you can do whatever you want as long as you include the original copyright and license notice in any copy of the software or source. There are many variations of the license in use. The basic provisions of the license are: commercial use. You may use the work commercially. Modify. You may make changes to the work. Distribute. You may distribute the compiled code and or source. Sublicense. You may incorporate the work into something that has a more restrictive license. Private use. You may use the work for private use. The work is provided as is. You may not hold the author liable. This is the only restriction of this license. Include copyright. You must include the copyright notice in all copies or substantial uses of the work. Include license. You must include the license notice in all copies or substantial uses of the work. Apache license. Apache 2.0 is the most modern and balanced among permissive license written by the Apache Software Foundation. Apache licensed software can be used in your commercial project for free. Rights are perpetual. Once granted, you can continue to use them forever. Rights are worldwide. If the rights are granted in one country, then they are granted in all countries. Rights are granted for no fee or royalty. There is a upfront usage fee, no per usage fee or any other basis either. Rights are non-exclusive. You are not the sole licensee. Other can also use the licensed work. Rights are irrevocable. No one can take these rights away once they are granted. Thank you for watching this video.